Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you two important concepts in programming. One is related to variables, while other is related to the loops. So we know that variables are temporary memory locations in the computer, while you run a program. During execution of the program, the values are temporarily stored in the variables. So it's a basic concept in programming, and also the use of loops, and loops are basically used to repeat the code. So as you can see in this program, because Scratch is a visual programming language, so we have a on the left side we have palettes given different colors, and uh, logically commands are organized here. So the first block here obviously is related to the beginning of the program. Let me first run the program and show you how it works. What will be the output when you click this green here flag here to run the program. So the question here pops up: how many sides does this shape have? So for example, I want Sprite to draw a triangle, so I put 3 here as a number of shapes here, 3, and when I run the program, the sprite is going to draw a triangle with 3 sides. Cool. How does it work? You can see here I have 2 blocks here to erase the previous drawing and pen down to let the sprite draw something, and then this one here, this block basically will display a question on the screen. 2 variables are used, sides and angle, and here I have used a division operator here, 360 divided by sides. So when this question will appear on the screen, the user is going to enter a number for the sides of the shape, and that number will be stored in sides variable, and then angle variable basically will get the value from sides variable. How? We have to compute that. So to calculate that, 360 divided by the number of sides, for example 3 or 4. So 360 will be divided by number of sides. 360, is the full angle of a circle, so it will be divided with number of sides, and the value, we will get the value of the angle, and then we will use a loop here which will repeat certain number of times, and that number of times depends on the number of sides you will enter. So for example, 4 sides for square, so this loop will run 4 times. 100 steps the sprite will move. 1 second it will wait after each uh, side is done, and then it will turn the angle according to what is being calculated here. So if I run again and I put 4 here and press enter, the sprite is going to draw a square. So now I will show you how to do this program. So I will go here, and first thing I will go to the category events, and then I drag this one here on the stage. So when clicked, and then I have to have something to draw, for that I have to add extension. So bottom left corner I click add extension, and then I click on the pen, and from here I will drag this block here and snap here like this, and then pen down. So it will erase the previous drawing, and pen down means that my sprite can draw now. And then I will go to the sensing category, and here I will put this one here, and the question I have to type here, for example, how many sides does this shape have? So this is the question. Let me just zoom in so that you can see well. All right, and then I will go to the variables category, and I click make a variable, and first variable I will make is sides, and the second variable I will make is angle. So now I have 2 variables. So all right, I have 2 variables now, and then I use the set block to give the variables a value. So first will be set sides to the answer. From sensing, I put this answer block here, and the second one will be set angle Now in the set angle, I have to divide 360 divided by number of sides. So I go to operators and I use a division operator here, and here I put 360 divided by the number of sides. So variables, and here 360 divided by number of sides. Okay, now it's time to draw the shape. So for that we need a loop. I go to control category and repeat loop. I snap it here, and how many times this loop will run, it's according to the number of sides. So I go again to the variables and it will run number of sides. Yeah, and then I go to the motion category, move, for example, move 100 steps, and then from the control, wait 1 second so that we can see, otherwise the sprite will go really fast. So then from the motion category, turn, and here in the turn I put the angle variable, so the turn will be according to the angle, and there we are. Now I run the code, number of sides, and this time I put 5 and press enter. So the sprite is going to draw a pentagon with 5 sides. So that's how you can use loop and variables to draw different shapes. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe. Bye bye.